We have, today is it national or international?
International.
International. Talk like a pirate day.
This is difficult.
Oh my.
How does this look? Good?
No, really? Is this a good look?
Are these one of those things we're going to regret immediately after we've
I'm
done
sure
it?
this is not
Talk
gonna
like
go
a
well.
pirate day,
Talk like a pirate
and
day.
so folks are supposed to R and all these things. So check out these pirates. One of our viewers shared this on Ashley's Facebook page. Take it away.
Yeah, Karen, thank you so much. Arf, look at those doggies.
They say rough.
Arf, they're searching for treasure
Arf,
along the
arf.
ocean.
Were you thinking about that all morning? Arf.
I actually stole that from her. When she sent it to me, she put arf.
Arf. She's cleverer than we are. I like it.
Y'all want my joke about pirates?
I'm sure you
Where
do
do
have a
pirates
joke.
get their taxes done? H&R Block.
Hope they don't get caught by the IRS.
Oh, very good, very good, very good.
All right, well, shall we continue on with some normal entertainment news in the name of the Lollipop Guild? We'd like to welcome you to Munchkin Land. It has been 75 years since The Wizard of Oz came to the silver screen, and to celebrate, 93-year-old Jerry Marin, one of the only two surviving Munchkins, had his hand and footprints immortalized forever on display in front of the Chinese Theater in Los Angeles. And the film goes on to 3D theaters Friday.
I can't wait to see that, actually. And this year's Emmy host, Neil Patrick Harris, checked out the red carpet at the Nokia Theater ahead of Sunday's ceremony. He says he's working on his one-liners, maybe he's talking like a pirate, but he's delivering them right now to placards.
All right, sounds good. He's going to be good. Well, take a look at this, mateys. A massive undertaking for a Utah cabinet maker pays off after 13 years. Mike Stock built this 35-foot, 3-story boat from scratch with his own 2 hands. He thought it would take 5 years.
Oh, but his estimate was off by about 8 years, maybe. By the way, it was well worth it. He should be able to sail it by November, and he wants to leave Utah for the East Coast with his wife.
Well, he can't sail from Utah.
He
so I
can't.
hope he gets it
Aren't
somewhere
y'all
else.
glad this is over?
Aren't you? No, I'm not. Won't you join us tomorrow for Friday?
Have a good
We'll
day.
see you later.